Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this fabulous grill is my Char-Broil True Infrared, and I am in love with it for many reasons. The first is that I have never experienced juicier meat than on an infrared, the True Infrared from Char-Broil. This is my second grill, and when I needed to replace my last infrared, I had no question in my mind that I was going to buy one of these again. That's how happy I am with the way my meat comes out on this grill.
There's so much to love about this Char-Broil grill. The extra burner that also has a cover on it, so you get a second shelf, so you have a sturdy shelf on either side. I love the fact that no matter how hot the grill gets, this handle does not heat up. The ceramic grill plates have this incredible ability to sear your meat without drying it out. And I love the fact that it wheels around really easily and has storage on the inside of the doors. It's very convenient and well thought out. I am so pleased with this grill, especially with how my food comes out. It's so easy to have delicious grilled food.
So if you're looking for a new grill, I would highly recommend the Char-Broil True Infrared. I love the fact that it has an extra burner, that the cart is really easy to wheel around, and it has two shelves, one on either side, that are very stable. You always need an extra place to put things when you're grilling. And I can't tell you enough how happy I am with the way my food comes out because of the infrared. It is very juicy and very moist. I never dry out my food. So this grill definitely gets a 2 thumbs up for me, and that is my point of view.